Wowkidz, fun and learn! Now we're gonna make a clay tree. Toolkit, 6 pieces, for Linda. Now let's see the tools in the toolkit. This is the rolling pin, this is the jigsaw cutter, and this is the plate cutter. This is the small knife, and this is a big knife. And the roller. We've taken green and brown and light green clay. So first we'll cut green clay cake that is dark green with a big knife. Yes, we press it because the clay is a little hard. Now we cut out a piece and put it aside. Now we take the light green clay cake and cut a piece with a big knife. We cut a small piece and keep the rest aside. Yay! Brown color! Looks yummy like a chocolate cake. But this is not, it's just clay. We're gonna make tree trunk out of this. Okay, so we press the clay piece so that it becomes soft. We press it between the palms and roll it on the table. Like this. Roll it nicely so that it looks like a trunk, like a tree trunk. Now we take the small knife and cut it so that it's not very big. We press it to give it a shape so that it becomes proper round in shape like this. Now we take the dark green clay piece and with the rolling pin we roll it and make it flat like this. We roll it some more. We take it out. Now we take the small knife and we cut it like this. We're making the leaves of the tree. With the plane cutter, we cut out another leaf. We cut out some more leaves. Nice, pretty looking leaves. These leaves look beautiful. And we're going to cut out as many leaves as possible from this piece of clay. Yes. Yes. We'll cut it out in the proper shape of the leaf. Some more to go. We'll keep all the leaves on one side. We're making a coconut tree. Yay! The leaves are ready. Now we'll clean the table and we will place the light green clay on it. We will arrange the leaves on one side so that there is space on the table. Then we roll the light green color clay with the rolling pin like this. We take it out slowly and carefully. We roll it some more, like this. Okay, now we take the plane cutter and we cut out more leaves. We will have some dark green color leaves and fluorescent green color leaves to make the tree beautiful. Okay. Now we'll shape the leaves properly. with the zigzag cutter. We'll make design like this. The leaf looks nice with the zigzag design on one side. We'll wipe out the extra clay and throw it away. Or we can keep it aside to use it for something else later. Now we make the design on the dark green color leaves too. Okay, take out the extra clay. And now we have beautiful leaves in two colors. Our tree is gonna look very interesting. Now we take the trunk and roll it on the table to get a proper shape. And now we'll make leaf scars on it with the small knife. We will make lines on the trunk like this. These are the leaf scars, and now we're gonna put the leaves on it. We'll place the leaves on the trunk one by one. Then with a small knife, we'll make lines on the leaves. Like this. We're going to place light green and dark green leaves in alternate positions so that the pattern looks great. Yay! Our tree looks great! We'll draw lines on all the leaves with a small knife. We'll make small lines like this. And then we will roll some more brown clay. These are the coconuts. We're gonna use some orange colored clay and some brown clay. And now, and this is the seawater. You guessed it right. Now you're almost done with it. Now you can enjoy sitting under the tree. Wowkidz, fun and learn. Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.